When you're looking for a hearty dish that is a smarter choice, why not consider my pork stir fry, but it's made with cauliflower rice, so we're gonna keep those carbs nice and low. Now what we did is we began with 2 pounds of pork loin. You'll take it raw, cut it into strips, and you'll marinate it in a store-bought stir fry sauce. You'll buy your favorite brand, pop it in the fridge and let that marinate overnight. Then we took the pork and we browned it in this cast iron pot. Now remove the pork, but leave the pork juice and the extra stir fry sauce behind, because that's going to help build the sauce as we build this dish. Now here's a great supermarket shortcut. Go to the freezer section of your supermarket and buy frozen stir fry vegetables. It's quick, it's easy, and this dish comes together in just a short amount of time, even on a weeknight. So we're going to get those right into this simmering liquid. Perfect. And you can also buy cauliflower rice already riced in the grocery store. So it's even easier to incorporate this into the dish. And when you're not using regular rice, you're cutting way back on carbs. So let's get in our cauliflower rice. Now it's at this step I like to give this a bit of a stir, just so we can make sure that everything gets incorporated and we start to distribute that beautiful and aromatic sauce that is going to add so much flavor to this dish. Oh, it's already starting to smell great. And I love all the big colorful vegetables. Now we've got that incorporated. Add to that some chicken stock and some fresh ginger. Give that a nice stir. We're going to let this cook for just a little while so that the vegetables begin to soften and the liquid begins to reduce down. And let's add in that pork. Now what we want to do here is get all the pork down into the mix, give this a good stir, give it a little douse of some soy sauce, and bring this up to temperature. This will only take about 3 to 4 more minutes. Then you'll get this into the bowls and you've got a family favorite recipe that everyone will be requesting on a regular basis.